Hey foodies, it's Crystal. Welcome back to my Gadget Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make a peach mustard sauce, and I'll be using my Ninja Foodi, but feel free to use any pressure cooker that you may own. This sauce is delicious and works well with chicken, pork, or fish. I discovered this recipe in one of my America's Test Kitchen cookbooks. I'll have a link to this cookbook down below, and I converted it from stovetop to pressure cooker. First, I started off with a bag of frozen peaches, and to that I added 2 cups of white wine. Hey, party time! And then to that I added some sugar, followed by some chicken broth, and then some rice vinegar. As always, I will have all the ingredients and measurements listed down below in the description box. So stir that all together, and we're gonna add in some fresh thyme, and it's time to seal up the pressure cooker and set it to cook on high pressure for 10 minutes, followed by a quick release. All right, so it's time to remove that lid, and we're going to remove the thyme from the insert. And now it's time to add our mustard. So we're going to stir in some stone ground mustard, about a couple tablespoons. And oh, I forgot to tell you, make sure you set your pressure cooker to the saute function so we get a little simmer going on. And we're going to add a cornstarch slurry. So I've got about a tablespoon of cornstarch with about a tablespoon of water. We're going to stir that together to help thicken the sauce. I gave it a taste. That vinegar was, ooh! So I added in some honey to cut the tartness of the vinegar. And you let it cool to room temperature and you are good to go. I served this sauce over some roasted chicken thighs and it was delicious. So foodies, what do you think? Are you going to give this recipe a try? If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up, as it does help out my channel. And if you're here and you still haven't subscribed, why not? What are you waiting for? Go ahead and click that button and tap that bell so you know the next time that I upload. And as always, thanks so much for watching. And remember, get out of that drive-thru and get into the kitchen. Bye.